How to add cameras to the NVR. First, securely fasten the antenna to the back of the camera. Ensure the power cable is properly secured in the camera's power connection, and ensure that the other end of the power connection is firmly secured to a wall plug or to a surge protector. You'll also want to make sure that the camera is placed within 3 meters of the NVR. And now that the camera is attached, we'll need to access the NVR's menus. Right-click on the mouse to bring up the quick menu and select IPC Channel Config from the list. Once you're on the IPC Channel Config menu, select the Search option. Your NVR will begin searching for cameras. After a moment, the top menu will display any cameras that the NVR finds. Select the Wi-Fi Add option to add this camera to your NVR. In the bottom menu in the far right column, you can see that the camera has been connected. And now when viewing that camera, we can see a symbol that denotes the connection status of the camera.
Video Shopping Network, an Amazon affiliate. To see this product on Amazon, click the link in the video description below. You'll be able to see current pricing, product reviews, and any special deals. Desktop users should see the Amazon quick link below the video. Mobile users will need to click the little down arrow below the video first.